Speciality is that it's been launched for the press today, and for the normal people it will be open, because as we're seeing the festive season is coming by, and there's something which is new that Rado has launched, which has, I think Rado is something which has always been very classy, very elegant. Even if it's a men watch or a woman watch, they always have that class. They have maintained that class. So I think what we see, what I'm wearing today, which is something full of diamond studded, and yet because a lot of diamonds can sometimes be a little loud or a little less, but there's something which they have introduced, as you can see this. It's really classy, it's really nice. I think it just serves all the occasion. You can wear it for your day-to-day, plus you can wear it outside, and it's just one of the masterpiece again from Rado. I think about 45. They both have jewelry come the platinum. I think they both have they have wide collections of it, so it covers everything. It caters every there's a lot of customers who don't like diamond, they like very subtle, so they have all the collections which caters all the clients.